Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Ample. According to some projections, by 2030, there could be 145 million electric cars worldwide, even without any support from authorities. However, with their backing, we could potentially have 230 million electric cars on the roads. The creators of these charging stations have a mission to put 1 billion electric cars on the roads and are actively working on expanding the infrastructure. Their stations allow for quick battery replacement, a process that takes just 5 to 10 minutes and costs 3 to 10 times less than traditional charging methods. Deploying a network of stations on a city scale can be accomplished within weeks. These stations are designed to be compatible with solar panels and wind turbines. Additionally, they are fully automated and only occupy about 2 parking spaces, making them easily attachable to places like hypermarkets. The designers have already set up test stations in San Francisco, secured a $15 million grant, and received mentions in notable publications such as Forbes, Bloomberg, and Time. Dior 3D printed shoes. How impressive can printed shoes be? These shoes made their first appearance at the Paris Fashion Week. And what's even more noteworthy is that they were created by none other than Dior, the esteemed French company. Dior believes that craftsmanship can have various interpretations, and for their new Dior Men Winter 2023 to 2024 collection, they embraced 3D printing. Instead of starting from scratch, they used the existing Dior Carlo model as a base. The French team scanned it and experimented with textures, resulting in a 3D printed version within a mere 12 hours. While the insole and tongue are still made from leather, the shoes remain lightweight and provide excellent ventilation. Echo Runner 8. Can you imagine what this peculiar-looking car was designed for? It's actually being prepared to set a world record. The goal is to drive over 2,056 kilometers using less than a kilogram of hydrogen as fuel. If successful, this car will become the most efficient hydrogen-powered vehicle in the world. What's even more astonishing is that it has been built by a team of Dutch students. To achieve this feat, the car incorporates advanced aerodynamics and utilizes tires with a coefficient of friction 300 times lower than conventional ones. According to the students, these compact, lightweight, and environmentally friendly cars represent the future. By showcasing the efficiency of hydrogen as an energy carrier, the team aims to inspire and motivate individuals and companies to contribute to a more sustainable future. Sanctuary AI Phoenix. Exciting news awaits robotic enthusiasts as a Canadian startup continues its work on Phoenix, a versatile humanoid robot with a surprising goal of creating jobs. The concept behind this innovation is quite intriguing. A human operator provides instructions, and the robot carries them out using the capabilities of GPR, the world's first general-purpose human-like intelligence. VR systems can be used to familiarize the robot with various tasks. Although the developers have previously only showcased the upper parts of Phoenix, it successfully completed approximately 110 tasks during testing, including tasks such as goods labeling and stacking. The anticipated specifications for the complete robot are as follows: a walking speed of up to 5 kilometers per hour, a height of 1.7 meters, a weight of 70 kilograms, and a payload capacity of up to 25 kilograms. Bombora mWave. This team is also dedicated to efficiency and environmental friendliness on a much larger scale. Their latest project is a device that converts wave energy into electricity. With a 13 million investment, they have already funded a test version capable of generating 1.5 megawatts of power. The principle behind its operation is surprisingly simple. As waves create pressure fluctuations, the air within the rubber membranes is set in motion, subsequently rotating the turbine. These membranes serve as the only external moving components of the entire unit. The 1.5 megawatt station measures 75 by 15 meters. The team is also developing wind turbines to maximize the energy potential of each location. Considering that the global offshore energy market is projected to reach 500 gigawatts by 2015, the future looks promising. Elythor Morpho. Many drones face a common challenge of consuming excessive energy when dealing with strong winds. However, a Swiss startup has devised an innovative solution: a drone equipped with 4 wings. These wings have the ability to fold, rotate, and tilt back within a 90-degree range, enabling the drone to adapt in real time to wind conditions. As a result, energy consumption can be reduced by up to 85% in certain scenarios. The startup suggests using their product for tasks like inspecting power lines. However, the current battery life allows for about 17 minutes of flight time per charge. Dock bumpers. Foreign offers a simple yet effective product: dock bumpers. These bumpers protect mooring ropes from abrasion, and their clever shape eliminates the risk of snagging. They come in various lengths, ranging from 2 to 4 meters, and different weights from 14 to 27 kilograms. This solution is particularly suitable for areas with a high concentration of mooring ships. Undertaking capital construction in such areas can often be challenging. While the installation instructions for these bumpers are concise, consisting of just 2 pages, most of which are pictures. Navig8 Electric. These drones have proven to be ideal counterparts for rescue operations in challenging and restricted environments, whether it be buildings, mines, or forests. They possess the ability to hover, fly in reverse, and tilt as needed. The top models in this drone family offer an impressive flight time of 150 minutes. Users have the option to choose between internal combustion or electric engines. These versatile drones can handle payloads starting from around 2 kilograms. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.